Hey everybody, this is a first in a series of our new safety series, which is going to cover everything from first aid to hearing and eye protection, as well as many other things that we use out in the field to protect ourselves while we're out doing this great sport of varmint hunting. So here's David to talk about the Rescue Essentials Med Kit.
Hey everybody, it's David with Varminter Magazine. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this IFAC first aid kit. Now this kit was provided to us by Rescue Essentials. Their link is going to be below, and this is from their IFAC line. Now, if you're going to be outdoors, hunting, shooting, you should always have a well-rounded medical kit with you. Now, different kits call for different situations. For example, if you're going on a 5-day pack hunt, you're going to be packing in, you're not going to want to carry this with you. So Rescue Essentials makes a complete line of products that will fit your needs. Anything from first responders all the way down to a pack kit. So what we're going to focus on are mostly this kit, which is designed around kind of ruin your day, ruin your trip style medical equipment. Now there are some things in here that would absolutely stabilize you until you were able to seek medical attention. So I'm just going to walk through this quick kit on what we feel is necessary in a well-rounded kit. All right. Start off, we have some glucose in case of a diabetic emergency. We've got some medical tape. We have an assortment of painkillers, migraines, headaches. There's something in here for allergies. So a little bit of everything. Now we've got some bandages with an iodine vial. Set that there. We've got an eye wash, a saline for eye wash or for cleaning out a wound. Moving into the center, we've got two large triangular bandages. Set those up. We have a face shield. We have an emergency blanket. Moving along, there's a SAM splint. In the event that you need to stabilize a limb, you have this available. All right, now we've got quite a large assortment of gauze packs, eye patches, sponges. We've got 2 gauze rolls. Okay? We've got a set of gloves. We have a nasal trumpet. We've got a cat tourniquet. We have compressed gauze. Moving in, rounding this out, we've got some shears. Grab all this. We've got a quick clot bandage. We have a chest seal. And we've got a combat dressing bandage or an Iraqi bandage. Now, all of these items fit securely in here. This is absolutely something, it's small enough, portable enough, you can throw it in your range bag. There will be a complete list of all the items going into more detail on what's in these bags in our article associated with this. Now, there'll also be a link below that you can go over to rescue-essentials.com and check out their complete line. And as always, thank you for visiting us. Be sure to subscribe and/or like, and head over to varminter.com for more articles.